welcome back to another video of us working on this beautiful machine, and today it's going back together. So as you can see, we've got all our parts here. We've got all our timing belts, we've got a new piston head, new piston rings, head gaskets, we've got everything. We've even got some new brake discs and brake pads for another video, and today the rebuild is going to start, so stay tuned. Okay, and after about an hour's worth of taking everything off, I've finally done it. I've changed all the piston rings and changed the piston head over that was cracked. So I'm going to show you the final results now. So this is what they look like now. This with all the rings and everything changed. So basically, we're just going to have a quick look at what Dad's doing first. Dad, what are you doing?
I'm reseating the valves.
Okay.
And changing the valve seals.
Why?
Well, because the valves need reseating and you need to put new valves in. Valve seals in.
Okay, fair enough. I will get back to you when we're doing another big step on the car. So, see you in a bit.
So, Harry. Valve spring, that's the top of the valve. And to get the valve out, what we do, oops, sorry. A magnet. If we use this to compress the spring, and you see that there?
Mm-hmm.
That's what holds the spring on the magnet.
Okay.
So now, on the magnet, on the valve, there's the valve spring. And if we turn it over, so that's the valve. You can see how dark and tarnished they are in the seal. So that's what we're doing. We're reseating them. Just go out there, and next, well, first we take the this is the valve seal. There's the old one. Right, and to lap them in, just do one at a time. Clean up.
What's that?
This is lapping compound.
Mm-hmm.
So what we do, stick it at the top of finish that off, get it slipping off. Then we just do this for a few minutes.
For a few minutes?
Yeah.
Is it a fun process, Dad?
It is when it's done, because it's satisfying, isn't it? You rebuild it all, but these plunges aren't the greatest.
Okay, so now we've got the new head gasket seal on. We've got the head. Thought so. We've got the head on over there. We've already attached the thermostat housing to it because it'll be easier to do that than slot all the pipes in after. So now we're going to get it on basically. So do this and literally lower it. It's on the way. Thank you, Baldy. Okay, so now basically, now we've slotted that on after a bit of wiggling about and trying to get all this stuff around it and move out of the way. It's now time to get our headbolts and we're going to slot them back in and get them all tightened back up so the head is officially on the piece.
Right. Hello, we've got the head on. Bit of a fiddle in the pipe through the way. Now we're going to torque it down, following the torque pattern. 30 new meters, round the ball, quarter of 10, round the ball, quarter of 10 again, round the ball. We'll come back to you when we've done that bit. Right.
Basically, we'll see you after Dad's done that because it'll probably take him a bit because he's very slow at this. So, we'll see you in a bit.
Fuck's sake!
So now we've got all that sorted, we're basically just gonna start finding out where all these pipes are meant to go onto the intake. Then connect the fuel rail up, and then after that it'll be the throttle body, and then we do all the timing, and then we do all the ignition coils and spark plugs, and that's it. So, not that much left to do, so let's get on with it.
Get some oil and stuff, then come back and finish off because it's 2 o'clock now.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Alright,
We'll
so we'll see you in a bit because we're going to grab our oil and stuff for when we do start up today, this week, time period. But yeah, so we'll see you in a bit.